everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screen. Once again, I'm sitting towards this side because Linda is laying down. She doesn't want to she doesn't want to be on camera. Shut up! She doesn't want to be on camera while I do my intro. So, welcome to my channel. It is me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screen once again. And in today's video, we're actually going to be teaching you guys how to fasten turbans slash doeks slash scarves slash head wraps. And some of you guys were asking me, how do I keep my hair if I'm not recording? My hair's in twist right now. You see that? It's in twist right now. This is how I'm keeping my hair, like all the time, okay? I always, right after I record content and stuff, I put my hair up in twist, all right? Now that's out of the way. Please do not forget to submit your home DIY deep conditioners, because in 2 weeks time I'm going to be picking your recipe. And if you haven't submitted it, don't be out there saying, but Tshidi doesn't recognize me. Just don't, okay? So also, I want to say thank you to everybody that has joined me on my live yesterday. I had so much fun with y'all. Then, yeah, Linda, you can come up. Be revived from the dead. Okay, this is Linda. She's bald-headed. She's about to embark on her natural hair journey, since some of y'all are always saying, but my hair's so short. Tshidi, yours is so long. So I wanted to bring somebody over here, and she's gonna be coming. She's gonna be visiting, right? Yeah. She's gonna. If
y'all see like the dryness, I have razor bumps. It's not going well, so it's kind of like I have aloe vera in my head. So do not mind. Like don't be like her head is ash.
No, her head is not ashy. She's got razor bumps. Yeah, so I want to show you guys. She's going to be coming here every now and then. I'm going to be maybe deep conditioning her hair or whatever the case may be. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to style short hair and all that kind of stuff while I style her hair, alright? Just so everybody can feel included in the natural hair journey and doesn't say, but Tshidi, you have like 11 inches of hair and I got like 0. You know what I mean? So I want you to be able to relate, and you are going to be relating to Linda. And some of y'all that already have my hair length, then it's going to be you and I, alright? Okay, so without any further ado, let us get right into it. Okay, so I'm gonna pick yellow. We have like a bunch of colors here, like so. We've got like a ton of colors.
Yeah.
Like, we're going to be trying different styles just so we can, give you a variety of options.
Indecisive.
So, buddy, tell us, why do you want to grow your natural hair?
I don't know, man. I think I just might cut it again.
What do you mean you might cut it? We just said
no, listen. I think like I'm gonna grow it just to cut it again.
Yeah. What do you mean to grow it just to cut it again? People want to relate to you.
Yeah, they can. When I cut it again.
That is so confusing.
Nah, I'm just joking. Nah, but for real, I think
first of all, this is already a style by itself. Can we just talk about that? Can we just talk about how this, you can just like wrap it to the side. Okay, wait. Well, make like a tie. Yeah, like fasten it like so. Wait, are you copying me?
No, sure.
Okay, don't copy me.
Sure, bruh. Wow! My true color just came out with this white.
Okay, just tie it at the back, like so. Right, and then just take one side. Pick whatever side you want. Make it look pretty. Take that one side and then just throw it to the back like so. I hope this is gonna come out how I planned it to.
Yeah, we hope. You kind of just roll this one, right? And then you just like do this, bada boom, bada bam,
bam bam.
Oh, and at the back, it's like so simple. Give me a second.
Okay, while she's doing that, take this part and just fasten it around there, just like so.
If your turban is like really long, you can like tuck it in here.
Tuck it in also at the back. Okay. And ta-da! You have your first hairstyle.
Yep.
Yeah!
You do.
We look pretty.
You really do.
Okay, but why is yours so forward? Bruh, your forehead is not that
No,
deep.
I like it there. Leave me alone.
This is how we look.
Next. Oh, yo, let me plug y'all. Look. With the same, you just just be lazy, right? And just roll it. It's like really simple, really cute too. So like great for like funerals, like weddings.
Yeah. Or when you just don't know what to do and you don't want to wear your twist no more.
There it is.
And there we go. You see, just like that.
So simple.
2-star. Why isn't this thing?
I absolutely like this one because
I'm gonna pick a red.
My favorite. Oh, and listen, okay, you don't want to like make it too tight because look, you don't want to be out here looking pretty and then you know that the headache is killing you. You're just like smiling constantly. I think that was me at the beginning when I learned to do my turbans.
Don't make it so tight.
I used to do them so tightly and then like you'd see the line. Oh my gosh.
Okay, you tie it like normal, like, you know, always tie at the back just so you can secure it. It doesn't move. Make it look pretty here, like so. Make it look pretty. Stop it.
I'm joking.
Okay, then we're just going to do... Okay, we're gonna do one like this, and I'm gonna show you another style just like this. Okay,
I'm gonna show you.
Take this, and then you just tie it at the back, and then you're good to go. I'm done. Okay, there. Oh no! And ta-da! You've got your second hairstyle, just like so. Just like so. This is your second hairstyle. Okay, just like tuck everything neatly at the back. You see, we are in a hurry, but there we go. You see? Okay, then you're gonna take the same thing. Don't untie it at the back. Then you're gonna do this, right? And then you're going to twist like that. And ta-da! You've got your second look.
Pro tip from me would be like sometimes try to make the sides even.
Yeah, always make sure that it's even just so you can make
what
the tying process.
Once you become like a pro, that doesn't really matter.
This is pretty simple, guys. Like, play around with your scarves, you know. You guys don't want to play with your hair. You don't want to play with scarves. I don't know what you want from me. Alright, there we go. That's your second hairstyle, just like so. That's pretty.
I think
that's
schools
decent.
should allow people to wear turbans. I don't know.
I really think they should. Only because it's like part of African culture.
Exactly.
We always wear doeks like all the time. I don't understand why schools have not incorporated this into their thing.
Exactly.
As part of their school
you
uniform.
can literally just wear like one that's the color, like part of the school color.
Okay, now...
And if they want to be really inclusive, they can create like school ones.
Yes, with like the school badge on it.
Yeah, if they're really trying to be bougie, you know.
Okay, now we're going to go to the front. You haven't done any front ones, right?
No, I haven't.
Okay, let's see.
She's gonna do the...
Okay, wait.
I know which one.
I look so stupid right now.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, there we go.
Just slap you.
Alright, now I'm going to... You can make a twist like so, or you can make individual ones and then wrap it around each other like
I think
so.
what we've just realized is Linda is so slow.
Because I'm already like on my third time and you are still stuck.
I'm a bit of a slow person. That's all that there is to it. So
okay, and that would be your 4th or 5th or 10th style.
Oh no, now you're just over exaggerating this. I think.
Oh yes, darling. That was really simple. Okay, then you can also do this, right? And then take it to the back, right? You see, like so. You can watch this in slow motion. I know there's a lot going on, but we want to cover a lot. Ooh, I like this. I've never actually fastened this one before. I like it. I'm struggling. Yeah!
I think there it is. Your next look. There, you have it. It actually, wait, no. Kind of looks like a hijab. You know?
Yes, it does. Okay, cool. There we go. That is your 4th, 10th hairstyle. I'm not really proud of this one.
Rock your
hair. I'm not proud of this one, but if you want to try it, go ahead. Twist up. Don't untie it. You see, we're just improvising, y'all, as we go. Then just take this part and take it to the back like so, and then just wrap it in something.
Oh my gosh. Is this like even a tutorial? You know how fast this is? Is anyone even taking notes?
Okay, wait. Let's see if I can take out my edges. So, and then just find a...
Be careful! Razor bumps!
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, do it.
Just so painful.
Okay, but like, don't put it in your face like so. Jesus.
Be careful. Tshidi.
I don't think this is working, Morty. Rick. I don't think this is working, Morty.
It's gonna work, Rick.
This is not working. This is not working, Demi. Why are you hiding your brows?
No, see, here's my signature.
Can I just say I have to draw my brows and Linda doesn't? I'm upset.
Why you gonna put me on the spot like that?
I'm upset. She just wakes up with gorgeous brows and I don't. Okay.
Can you like fasten it, please?
Yeah, I can. Yeah, and then you can like leave it like that at the back.
Well, obviously these two you can like tuck it in.
Yeah. And then you can add bougie, like so. So this is, I like this one. I've never done this one before, but I absolutely love it.
I think we look really unprepared right now.
No, we don't.
I promise you.
Yeah, I know. And look at me. I look like I took time.
No, you didn't. See? Oh my god. You know what, y'all? It's like weird like this. Like
You look like Mojo Jojo. I hate you so much.
now y'all understand what I gotta deal with, but I do look like Mojo Jojo.
Do not say that when you cut your hair.
You look beautiful. Who can make a biscuit especially for you?
Comment, I'm talking.
Copyright.
Guys, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this.
Yeah, and this is how much hair I have after 2 weeks. Because I cut my hair last week.
But how is it 2 weeks now?
See, I'm going back to school. I'm not okay.
Yeah.
No, it's 2 weeks because I remember. It's 2 weeks. I'm not dumb. Listen. I'm not dumb. I'm not a dumb light skin. Listen.
You didn't cut your hair last week. You made a mistake.
I cut it the week before.
last.
That's how it's 2 weeks. Cause yeah.
Yeah. Then it is gonna be what it is. I'm taking care of the razor bumps myself. She's not doing it for me. Yeah, cause I didn't cause them. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.
Go, 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 go. Let's steal their hearts.